It's all you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This week I'm going to be showing you how to make key lime pie ombre nails. And here they are. I used colors Limelight and Veronica from Revel Nail Dip. And I'm going to be using a swatch today to show you guys how to do this. So I'm going to take my Probase and I'm going to put it over the whole nail, apply liberally. And I am going to dip this into Veronica, my white dipping powder. Now I chose to do this because I wanted a good base for my ombre and I really wanted the green to pop. So with all dips, make sure you brush off any excess dip, just so we don't contaminate our liquids. And here I have two makeup brushes that I like to use for when I ombre. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the Probase and we are going to cover the whole nail again. Make sure you cover the whole thing. And then what I like to do is dip the tip of my nail into the color that I really want to pop. And then I take my makeup brush and I'm going to kind of tap and scatter the dip powder through like the half of the nail, the top half of it, because I want it to fade towards the white. And I'm going to tap off excess powder, and then I'm going to go over to the white, and I'm just going to cover basically the whole bottom half of the nail. And then I'm going to tap off the excess powder. And then I'm going to repeat this process again. So I'm going to take my Probase and go over the top. And then this time I'm just going to scatter the color on the tip of the nail and work its way down just a little bit. So like I said, it was so it'll be faded. And then I'm going to cover the rest of the nail in white. And that's how I do the ombre. It's really easy. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my activator and I'm going to put a nice thick coat of it, make sure it's all saturated over the whole nail. And I'm going to let that sit on there for 2 minutes. Now I'm just going to clean up my sides and the top of the nail, make sure it's smooth. And then I'm going to buff out any bumps or ridges that are on the nail. And then after I'm buffing, if I were to do this on my actual nails, I would apply a second coat of activator, but since this is just a swatch nail, I'm just going to do one coat of activator. But what's pretty cool about this color Limelight, the green, it's glow in the dark. So when you turn off the lights, it actually is like a bluish green, which is really cool. Okay, so if you were to do this on your regular nails, you would have 2 coats of activator. And now what I'm going to be doing is using step number 3, which is the top coat. And I'm going to let that dry for 2 minutes. Okay, and then I'm just going to add my second coat and we'll get a nice shine on it. And we'll let that dry for another 2 minutes. And that's it, guys. That's how I did my key lime pie ombre nails. Super simple. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!